again, my name is J. Prado Salsa, and aka Kuya J. So, and I'm your tour guide right now in this land tour. So, right now we are here at Manok Manok Rotonda. In your right side, that is going to Tambisaan, and in your left side, that's going to Cagban Depot. And in my back is going to Balaban until Liapak. So, Manok Manok Rotonda is also called in local is outpost, and also it also considered as the most scariest and dangerous intersection in Boracay. So, according to the single driver or habal-habal driver. So, did you know why it's scariest and dangerous? It's because it always has a checkpoint on that area. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, also me. It's so scary. Manok Manok Rotonda is located on Barangay Manok Manok.
Delikado nga.
You know, Manok Manok is one of the largest barangay in Malay and divided into 7 zones under with leadership of Barangay Captain Honorable Danilo de los Santos. And they have they celebrated religious fiesta on May 24 and 25 with their Saint Patron, Saint Lucia. Also, Manok Manok is part of 17 barangay in Malay. And, sorry. Yeah, correct. And,
Wise.
Manok Manok, it's one of the barangay in Malayaklan. And, you know, Malay is also Malay is one of the 17 municipality here in Aklan, and also first class and richest when it comes to in terms of revenue. Malay also has 7 marbles tourist spots. So let me introduce you the 7 marbles of Malay. So one is Malay Ecological Tour. It's a place where you can relax, and they have the view deck that you can see the overview of Boracay, island of Boracay. Next is Nabahay River, where you can relax and you can do picnic. They have the zip line, ATV, and this is the best place for family bonding. Also, we have the Mutag Living Museum. So it's located at Barangay Mutag.
Parang sa Baguio
So
tayo.
it showcases the cultural style of living of Malaynots.
Ganda mo.
And also we have the
Parang nasa Baguio.
Agnaga Falls, located at Barangay Kapulian.
Pa?
So it's
Mount Lugo.
Agnaga Mini Falls. So it's the best place also to like picnic and family bonding as well. We have also the tallest falls in Malay, which is the name is Nagata Falls. It's located in Barangay Nabaoy. And we have also Pangihan Cave. It's 275 meters long cave, and it's a home of local bats, which we call Paniki. So it's located in Barangay Poblacion. And of course, the last but not the least, Boracay Island. So,
hindi ko siya nakiris ka sa sinabi mo na Manok Manok is one of the richest barangay.
Malay po.
Malay.
Malay po is one of the richest municipality in Aklan po. Aklan. So in terms of revenue po. Sorry po para
Just kidding. Okay, closing now.
So I hope you enjoy your my tour for today. So once again, my name is A. Prado Salsa, and saying please love Boracay, love the Philippines. Mabuhay!
Yeah.